Hey everyone, how's it going? We are talking about today these bolt catch punch set from Real Avid. Very cool set. Easily remove and install bolt catch retaining pin. I'm not really going to go over installing it, but I am going to be removing the bolt catch on this lower receiver right here. This is a very interesting product. It was about 11, 12 bucks, very inexpensive, and this looks very, very well made. And it seems to address a problem that a lot of people appear to have when they're installing the bolt catch. Traditional, punch sets or roll pin punch sets, they can certainly get in the way, and you run the risk of damaging the lower receiver right here where I'm pointing at. And this seems to kind of address that problem. So let's go ahead and open it up and talk about the quality of this. So on the surface, this looks really, really well made. I love the low profile, low impact design of this package. You don't got a lot of stuff, to worry about. I don't know. I'm a hippie, so I like all the eco-friendly, stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, that was really easy. And, once again, right here in the back, again, you get a clear, clear images on and instructions on how to use this problem, and it also goes over some of the features. Apparently, the starter punch is magnetic, has a magnetic properties, so that's always a nice touch. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Ugh, I hate when this happens. Here we go. Now we're in business. All right, let's talk about this bolt catch punch set. So right at the bat, I just want to say, let's go ahead and set this to the side. I just want to say that these will not replace a proper punch set, a complete roll pin punch set, starter punch set, etc., etc. Like, I have a complete starter punch set from Grace USA. These aren't going to replace those. Well, maybe this one will replace the starter punch set or the roll pin punch set or pieces, a part of those kits. But at least specifically for the bolt catch, because these are fantastic. One of my concerns was this is going to be a little too harsh, and I would worry that you run the risk of marring up and damaging the finish of your lower receiver if this was a little too rough. But this is incredibly smooth. I can't imagine this really doing any marring up the lower receiver's finish. Both of these, they're slightly texturized. I'm not sure what to really make of that. I would have preferred some sort of like rubberized coating or something, at least right here. Maybe make this red, have it a little bit more brighter. It's something that's a little bit easier to see, just so you know not to make contact with the, let me just set this to the side, make contact with the lower receiver. But this is very soft, so that's really great. Let me just go ahead and show you. All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Let's pivot like that. So I mean, you're barely making contact with the lower receiver, or you're not really making any contact whatsoever. But nonetheless, I made a video assembling an AR15 series, and I'm going to show you the proper way to do it, even with the feature. Because what sets this apart from other punch sets is it seems like they cut out just a little bit of material right here where I'm pointing. Let me see. Let me push that up. Give you an exposed view. Yeah, see, this protrudes out just a little bit, and then it kind of cuts in, and it's very, very flat right here, and it's more texturized, and it's got more well-defined shapes on the other side, the side that you don't want to be facing the lower receiver. I like it. I really do like it. But nonetheless, you're gonna follow protocol. You're going to put together and assemble your AR15 correctly. I have a series on that in bite sizes, in multiple parts, very easy to consume. So no matter, even with the soft texture, the soft surface on this bolt punch set, and with this really unique design, am I going to just start removing or installing the bolt catch? No, we're going to do it properly. So we're going to go ahead and get our masking tape, and we're going to put it in the area right here. Here, you know what? Yeah. Oh my god, it's not even sticking. God damn it. I forgot to wipe it down. You know what? Always wipe down the surface of the lower receiver. Get grease, get grime, get all that muck off so your tape will stick. So annoying. I apologize, guys. I didn't prepare for the video. All right, let's try this one more time. Install this right here. Wow. Wow. Okay, we're going to need new tape, guys. There we go. There we go. Now we're in business. Now it's actually sticking. This is what I wanted. You do this to protect the surface of the lower receiver. This is how the pros do it. This is how I do it, because I am a pro. Man, I really should have cleaned this properly. I didn't think it would be necessary. I was honestly thinking about doing this, but I don't want to show you guys bad form. You know what I mean? I got to show you how to do this the proper way. All right, this is good enough. All right. Let's go ahead and try to drive out this bolt catch. Is this the roll pin? Yeah. All right, so already I feel like it's a lot easier to all right, I'm almost done driving it out. Nope, not quite yet. All right, there we go. I'm going to hold down on the bolt catch so it doesn't just fly out. All right, so here's the pin. Very, very cool. Let's test out the magnetic properties on this. Oh, yeah, it's magnetic, all right. Yeah, see, look it. Very, very interesting. Very cool. Let's see if we can go ahead and install this thing. So what I'm going to do with this one, I would usually want to have tape right over here, but we're going to use this as a little placeholder really quick. There's no need. Yeah, when doing this, you guys, you are going to want to put tape right here, right where I'm pointing at, but I don't imagine I'm going to have a hard time. All right, so the starter punch is set. It is in the right direction. All right, I am going to back out the roll pin punch. Let's try this in just a little bit more. All right, getting the roll pin punch again, seating it properly. By the way, I would never recommend doing it this way. I like to have mine on a vise, or the lower receivers on a vise that I'm working on. All right. All right, just a couple more taps and we're good. A couple more taps and we're good. So I just installed the bolt catch and I removed the bolt catch and it works. There's no damage, there's no marring, there's nothing on this whatsoever. This is excellent. This is done well. I really enjoyed doing that actually with this with this punch set from Real Avid. Again, this is not going to replace a punch set, but this will certainly complement a punch set. Oh yeah, by the way, this mark right here, I didn't do that. It's been like that for quite some time. You know, look at the video footage again. it was there. This did not do that at all. But goodness, man, this is gorgeous. These are great. Again, the only thing that I would probably change is probably make this you know, coat right here where I'm pointing. Coat it just so like some rubberized, very soft you know, material. But with that being said, this is it seems like it has like some kind of unique pattern. And it's very, very soft, man. It's very, very soft right here. Unusually soft. Here, let me see if I can Yeah, this is, I'm not worried about this marring up anything. Again, if you're going to do this, though, no matter what, you always got to do the prep. You got to wipe down the surface of the lower receiver. You're going to put masking tape right here where I'm pointing at. And you're going to put masking tape right over here as well. You're going to protect the lower receiver. And when you're done, you're going to have a finished product that's going to be pristine. It's going to look brand new. No nonsense, you guys. No nonsense. It's just, that's the way to do it. That's the proper way to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I will be leaving a DuckDuckGo link in the description. I cannot, unfortunately, leave a direct link to purchase this product because Google is anti-gun, anti-freedom, anti-Second Amendment, and unfortunately, this is what I have to do when I make these videos. So please support the channel. All my social media links and all that good stuff are in the description. So follow, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Peace out.